My name is Cady Briggs and I'm new to Integra Financial. I am a marketing apprentice who's going to be working my way up the marketing department. And since I only just recently left secondary school and then college, I had no knowledge until very, very recently of the financial industry of Integra Financial. And I definitely didn't have any knowledge on mortgage advisors, on what they do or even what they are. So I decided to ask around the office and ask my colleagues what it is they do on a day-to-day basis. And here's what I found out. So the first thing that will happen once you reach out to our advisors at Integra Financial is that they'll have an initial conversation with you. This just discusses how they work, what they'll do for you, the process to get to your mortgage offer, and they will try to keep it simplistic, as our slogan here, as you can see, is finance made easy. So they'll try and use as easy to understand terminology as possible. If there are any confusions, just take it up with them or our administration team, who you'll also be able to contact. And if verbal communication doesn't explain it well enough, then our advisors also provide bespoke guidelines for you to read and just see what it is that's going to happen in front of you as well as verbally. Once you're ready to proceed, our advisors will review the market, the whole of markets, which means that they can review hundreds of lenders and thousands of mortgage deals before finding one that they feel is best suited to your needs and circumstances. They'll put together a proposal so that you can see the reasons for their recommendation, the pros and the cons of the deal that they found for you, and the risks of it. They'll also cover in this proposal the insurance costs for yourself and your property, mortgage costs for now and for the future, and they'll also do an agreement in principle, which just means that they'll do a credit check with a lender to find out how much that lender thinks that you can borrow. If you have any questions, you can ask either the advisors or the administration team through email or through phone call. Once you've committed to a decision, our advisors will gather the relevant paperwork to support the application process. Our advisors will handle the application process for you, which will save you a lot of time and stress. At this stage, you'll also be given the contact details to our fully CMAP qualified administration department, who are available from Monday till Friday. Although our advisors are typically available 7 days a week, this gives you an extra point of contact so that you're never left waiting around. Throughout the application process, our advisors and our administration team will keep you updated. Once an offer is finally issued from a lender though, our advisors will check through thoroughly to make sure that it meets all of yours and your advisors' requests. At this stage, our advisors will also have a conversation with you about protection for yourself and your property. Our amazing team will hold your hand until the mortgage is completed, and will even contact you after that, just before the deal ends, to make sure that everything is still running smoothly. Did you know that on average, our mortgage advisors will spend 6 to 8 hours through the administration process to get to your mortgage offer? Also, on top of that, our mortgage advisors are usually the first beside yourself to get involved in the house buying process, but are usually the last to get paid. Normally, mortgage advisors get paid about 4 weeks after the 10 to 12 week process, which means they need to provide their very best service to make sure that you stick with them. And finally, some brokers will charge a broker fee on top of commission, so you should probably check that with them in their initial conversation with you, or in the initial disclosure document that will be provided within 5 days of the initial conversation. If you want to see more content from Integra Financial, we are also active on social media and on our blog posts. So if you want some more information on things such as stamp duty or second charge home loans, you can visit our blog page via the link in our bio, or you can visit our social media just to keep up to date with us. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed it.